Imagine stepping into a home where your technology doesn't just wait for your commands, but actively anticipates your needs, seamlessly blending into the fabric of your daily life with a level of intelligence that feels almost human. For years, the smart speaker market has felt somewhat stagnant, a collection of convenient but ultimately limited voice-activated boxes that perform basic tasks like setting timers, checking the weather, or playing your favorite playlist on repeat. We have tolerated the occasional misunderstandings, the awkward pauses, and the frustratingly robotic responses because, frankly, there wasn't a better alternative available for our bedside tables or kitchen counters. But behind closed doors in Cupertino, a massive paradigm shift has been quietly brewing, and the wait for a true revolution in ambient home audio is finally drawing to an end. The tech world is buzzing with anticipation because the long-overdue evolution of Apple's compact audio powerhouse is officially on the horizon, promising to completely redefine what a budget-friendly smart hub can do. We are standing on the precipice of a brand new era for the connected household, driven by massive leaps in processing power, groundbreaking artificial intelligence, and sophisticated acoustic engineering that defies physical limitations. The device that started it all back in 2020 by packing surprising punch into a mesh-covered sphere is getting the ground-up overhaul fans have been begging for, and the implications for your entire Apple ecosystem are absolutely massive. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now let's dive straight into the mind-blowing secrets of the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026. This upcoming hardware refresh isn't just a minor incremental update or a simple cosmetic facelift. It represents a fundamental reimagining of how we interact with our living spaces. Industry insiders and supply chain leaks indicate that Apple has designed this device to serve as the ultimate Trojan horse for advanced ambient computing, bringing unprecedented processing capabilities to a form factor that fits in the palm of your hand. To truly understand why the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 is generating such an intense level of excitement, we have to look at the massive gap between the current smart home landscape and where Apple is planning to take us. The original model was a massive success because it offered an affordable entry point into the ecosystem, but it was fundamentally held back by the aging hardware architecture of its time, relying on silicon that was originally designed for wearable devices generations ago. This meant that while the audio quality was incredibly impressive for its size, the internal brain of the device simply lacked the computational muscle to handle complex, on-device AI, processing, or rapid-fire smart home routing. The upcoming Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 completely obliterates these legacy limitations by introducing modern Apple silicon specifically optimized for neural processing and high-efficiency wireless communication. This shift in internal architecture means the speaker is no longer just a passive terminal that sends your voice requests to a distant cloud server. It is becoming a fully independent, highly capable computing node right inside your home. This translates to near-instantaneous response times, vastly improved reliability for automation, and a level of data privacy that competing smart speakers simply cannot match, because your personal interactions remain securely processed right on the device itself. One of the most profound upgrades coming to the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 lies deep within its audio architecture, a domain where Apple's engineering teams consistently push the boundaries of physics. Achieving deep, rich bass and crystal-clear high frequencies from a physical chassis that is roughly the size of an apple is an extraordinary engineering challenge, one that requires a perfect harmony between hardware design and computational audio. The Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 addresses this by incorporating an entirely redesigned full-range driver paired with dual force-canceling passive radiators that maximize internal air movement without causing unwanted vibrations or chassis distortion. But the real magic happens in the digital domain, where the updated silicon runs highly sophisticated ACO acoustic models in real time, constantly analyzing the playback material and adjusting the speaker's output to ensure optimal dynamic range at any volume level. Whether you're listening to a subtle acoustic podcast at midnight or blasting high-energy tracks during a weekend gathering, the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 dynamically tunes its equalization to prevent distortion and preserve the emotional impact of the audio. Furthermore, advanced room sensing capabilities, powered by the device's internal microphone array, allow it to automatically map the acoustic reflections of its surroundings, tailoring the soundstage to perfectly match whether it is placed against a wall, tucked away in a bookshelf, or sitting in the wide-open center of a kitchen island. Beyond individual performance, the true strength of the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 is unlocked when you begin exploring its multi-speaker capabilities and its profound synergy with the broader Apple ecosystem. When you place two of these advanced speakers in the same room, they don't just play the same audio in parallel. They intelligently communicate with one another to form a highly immersive, perfectly synchronized stereo pair. This configuration opens up a remarkably wide and deep soundstage that easily rivals much larger, traditional bookshelf speakers, separating vocal tracks and instrumental layers with stunning precision. For users who integrate the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 with an Apple TV 4K setup, the experience becomes even more cinematic, utilizing advanced beamforming algorithms to project spatial audio and virtualize surround sound directly into the living room. This creates an incredibly compelling, minimalist home theater solution that delivers booming movie tracking and clear dialogue without the need for unsightly wires running across the floor or bulky soundbars taking up valuable media console space. Additionally, the industry-leading handoff feature is receiving a massive precision upgrade thanks to the inclusion of next-generation ultra-wideband tracking chips, allowing you to seamlessly transfer music, podcasts, or active phone calls from your iPhone to the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 with unparalleled fluid responsiveness as you walk through the door. At the absolute center of this technological leap is the dramatic evolution of Siri, transforming from a basic, sometimes frustrating voice assistant into a deeply integrated, highly context-aware manifestation of Apple intelligence. The Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 is built from the ground up to showcase this new era of conversational AI, allowing for incredibly natural, multi-turn dialogues where you can change your mind mid-sentence, use colloquial language, and reference previous topics without needing to constantly repeat wake words. Because the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 possesses the local processing power to handle advanced language models, the assistant can understand the true intent behind your requests, easily managing complex, multi-step home automation commands with absolute ease. For instance, instead of issuing multiple distinct commands to lower the blinds, dim the lights, and turn on the television, a single, casual phrase whispered to the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 can trigger an intricate chain of actions across various connected smart devices simultaneously. This incredible step forward in natural language processing effectively removes the friction that has plagued smart home adoption for years, making the technology genuinely accessible and intuitive for every single member of the household, regardless of their tech savviness. Connectivity and smart home infrastructure are also undergoing a quiet but massive revolution within the sleek chassis of the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026. Following Apple's decisive move to retire legacy home architectures in favor of modern, robust frameworks, this new speaker is built to act as the ultimate, future-proof smart home hub. By integrating native support for the Matter standard alongside next-generation Thread border routing capabilities, the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 ensures flawless, lightning-fast communication with an incredibly diverse array of third-party smart accessories, ranging from smart locks and security cameras to ambient lighting systems and climate control thermostats. The inclusion of advanced Wi-Fi 7 wireless technology guarantees that the Apple HomePod Mini 2 2026 maintains a rock-solid, ultra-low latency connection to your home network, even in dense environments crowded with dozens of active smartphones, tablets, laptops, and streaming devices. This means that when you tap a switch on your phone or issue a voice command to adjust your home environment, the execution happens instantaneously, eliminating the annoying multi-second delays that have traditionally made smart home tech feel like a novelty rather than a reliable utility.